Pictures can sometimes caption emotions where words don't do it justice. And so through the survivor's lens is an opportunity for survivors to take photos in response to prompts, to provide captions, and then also to provide longer context pieces that help the viewer understand more broadly what their experience was like.
These photographs are powerful. We can share our stories in a way that might help those around us understand how we are feeling.
We can see how other people are impacted by this work and how they can use that to build empathy and engage in proactive bystander intervention skills, increase their likelihood to step up and step in when they see something that could lead to an experience that we have seen highlighted in this gallery exhibit today.
When we look at the photographs that are on display and through the survivor's lens, it's important to note that there's no experience or photograph that is the same. And that's one of the powers of using photo voice and having conversation between survivors as to what similarities and differences exist in survivor stories.
I am a survivor, and I know we are not alone.